In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields for an issue type in Jira Cloud. As we dive into this tutorial, we'll go through each step to ensure you can customize your project's issue types with the specific fields you need efficiently. To begin, let's navigate to your Jira Cloud project. Once you are in the project, you'll want to find the project settings. This option is conveniently located on the project sidebar, making it easy to access with just a click. Navigating to this section is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your project, including issue types. Next, within the project settings, you'll find an option labeled Issue Types. Go ahead and select it. This section is a critical area where you have the power to define and modify the issue types that your project uses. Understanding these configurations is essential since they dictate how tasks and issues are managed within your team. After selecting issue types, you'll see a list of the different issue types available for your project. Here, you'll want to identify and choose the specific issue type you wish to modify. Customizing fields for each issue type allows you to capture exactly the information that's most relevant to your workflow. Once you've chosen the issue type, direct your attention to the field section on the right corner of the page. This section allows you to view and modify the fields associated with the selected issue type. It's a crucial step, ensuring that all necessary data is collected and displayed according to your team's requirements. If you're looking for a specific field, make use of the search bar available on this page. The search function is incredibly handy if you have a long list of fields and need to find a particular one quickly. Efficient use of the search feature can save you time and help keep your project organized. Now, once you've found the field you want, or if you're arranging multiple fields, you have the option to drag fields from the panel into the list of fields on your issue type. This dragging feature is intuitive and allows for easy reorganization and customization of how fields are displayed. By tailoring the field order and presence, you can streamline how your team inputs and views information, improving overall workflow and project clarity. With this hands-on tutorial, I hope you've gained a clearer understanding of how to add fields for issue types in Jira Cloud, enhancing your project's efficiency. Customizing these fields to meet your team's needs can optimize how information is captured and processed, making your project management smoother and more effective. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in personalizing your Jira Cloud experience.